Welcome to Extreme Web Designs. My name is Rocky. In this video, we will see how to create a system restore point in Windows 10. So before we move on, let me tell you that a system restore point is great to undo the changes that have been caused by a recent installation of a program. So let's say if you installed a Java update and you would like to revert back in time, a system restore could be of a great help. But let's say if you would like to restore a file that you have deleted or a folder that you have deleted on your desktop or any other place, and you have even emptied the recycle bin, system restore will not help you in that, because folders and files are like physical copies on your hard drive. So once you have deleted them from your desktop or the drive and then emptied it from the recycle bin, there's no way that you can just simply get back those files using a system restore. But if you just want to undo the changes that were caused by a recent update or a recent installation of a program, then that's great. So let's see how this works. So once you're on the desktop, simply click on the Start button in the lower left-hand corner of the screen, or simply tap on the Windows key on your keyboard and simply type in the words System Restore. And in the list of results that pop up, simply click on the one that says Create a Restore Point. And in this dialog that pops up, simply look for this option that says Create. Simply click on that. And here it's going to ask you for a description that you can use to identify this restore point. So let's say you're trying to install a Java update and you want to revert back to this option just to undo the changes caused by the Java update. You can simply type a description such as before updating Java, and then simply click on this Create button, and it's going to take a few seconds to a few minutes before it can actually create a restore point for you. Alright, so I'm going to pause at this point. Okay, so there you go. So the restore point was successfully created. Alright, so let's close this and see if our restore point was indeed created or not. Simply click on the System Restore. And then in the next dialog that shows up, click on the Next button. And as we can see here, entry says before updating Java. This is the latest restore point that the system has created, and these other restore points are the ones that I've created previously before I updated my system. So yes, our restore point was successfully created. So that's how you basically create a restore point. In the next video, we'll see how to restore from a previous restore point that we created, if in case you want to do that. So basically, that's how you create a restore point. So now that we have verified that our restore point was created, we can just exit the screen by clicking on the Cancel button, and we can just say OK. So that's how easy it is to create a restore point. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please feel free to hit the like button, leave a comment, share it on social media, and subscribe to the channel. Soon after you subscribe, make sure you tap the bell icon located right next to the subscribe button to receive all future updates. Thanks for watching.